Construction personnel must be equipped with safety helmets, protective clothing, insulating gloves and insulating shoes. Tool list. Lift equipment with a crane. Workers level the cabinet and check whether cabinet doors open and close smoothly. Secure the four corners of the energy storage cabinet with bolts. Open the cabinet door for inspection. Open the cabinet door for inspection. Connect DC power cables and install the mist. Connect the 690 volts AC quick disconnect plug to the 690 volts AC power socket. Remove the socket protective cover. Connect the 400V to 20V AC quick plugs to their corresponding quick fit sockets. Close the auxiliary power switch. Manually close AC switches Q1, Q2 and Q3. Close switches QF1 and QF2 of the 3 high voltage boxes. Open QF1 and QF2 switches of the 3 high voltage boxes. Open AC switches Q1, Q2 and Q3. Turn off the auxiliary power switch.